channel. If you like my content, please make sure to like. Thank you. I'd like to do my disclaimer. All products mentioned and used in my videos are not sponsored. If you have a favorite brand, use your favorite brand. Thank you. Today, we're going to be making pancakes, just like my mom. I'm letting out her secret. You want her secret to the best pancakes? Come closer. Come closer. She used a box, just like me. Yeah. On with the recipe. Today, I am making pecan pancakes. I'm using the mix and pecans, and you need some water. On to the video. The first thing we'll do today is measure the mix. I need 2 cups of the mix. And I'm going to be making pecan pancakes. I never made them before. I normally just do blueberry pancakes, and the mix was already mixed up. Like in my other video, if you want to make blueberry ones, you can make blueberries one with the mix. I made them off the grid, but if you want to do it on top of the stove, you can. Here's 1 cup. I'll be back with the second one. Here's the second cup. Now I'll measure the water. I'm just following the directions on the box. This is 1 cup water going in. Now I have to do another half cup. And I'm measuring out the half cup right now. Half cup going in. Now we have to mix it up until it's mixed, but you don't want to over mix it. You just want to get it not smooth. It's still going to be lumpy, but you don't want the big lumps. I'll be back in a bit. The first thing I'm going to be doing is preheating the griddle to 375 like they suggest. I'll be back once it's heated. While the griddle is preheating, I'm going to be pouring the mix into a measuring cup. The reason why I do it is easier to get uniform pancakes. I like them the same size, but no, it's not necessary. And no, my mom never did it this way. She never made them uniform. We ate whatever we had in front of us, and we liked it. Otherwise, we wouldn't be going to McDonald's to get anything else. That's how they was years ago. You eat what you had in front of you. Otherwise, you wouldn't eat. Now, since it's heated up, I gotta open my pecans because I want to add some pecans to it once I pour it on the griddle. So I'm pouring some on the griddle. And I'm going to add some pecans to it. I like lots of pecans on mine. Now pour some more over here. And then put some pecans in there. And then we'll wait to flip it. I'll be back to turn it. I'll show you the other pancake. There we go. That's better angle for you. I'll be back to flip it. I wait till the edges are dried out before flipping it. I'm going to flip it now. And this one too. I go all the way around. And flip. And let that cook on that side. Now I'll take them off, so they should be done. Yep, they're done. See, they're nice and done. That's how I do the pancakes. In case you're wondering why am I doing pancakes, this is actually for a pancake day that's coming up. If you don't like nuts, you can always make without the nuts, Or you could put strawberries or blackberries or even blueberries in it. Whatever fruit you like, you can chop it up and put it in it. Thank you for watching.